Sri Lanka is a country that's infused with pristine coasts, misty highlands and rainforests. Its vibrant culture, a combination of modern elements and traditions, help create an ever-conducive environment for growth. One company that has played the role of an active catalyst in mastering the art of nurturing the DNA of its growth is ANSELL Textiles Lanka. Since its inception, Hands International had a great chemistry with ANSELL. ANSELL's decision to take over Hands has paved the way to the birth of ANSELL Textiles Lanka. This transformation has brought the legacy of sewing excellence inherited with Hands to ANSELL Textiles. That has acted as an impetus for productivity improvements, introduction of new technology, and target-oriented mindset infused by ANSELL. The above has guided us to accomplish the core competencies we have achieved and to win the eminent productivity award at the 2017 Growth Summit in Vietnam. We at ATL don't believe in resting on our laurels. We strive to protect the hands that protect millions of hands across the globe. Our achievements to date is not only riding on the luck of finding best talents, but meticulously honing their talents through engagement, changing mindset, and by creating a work-safe, home-safe culture. This great bonding has prospered us in a big way, where some safety initiatives have been made by employees themselves. Our efforts in building the said culture has benefited us in many ways and reflects our commitment towards the journey of excellence. Going further on the above, we have introduced an employee wellness program to ensure employee good health and happy working environment, which is the bedrock of productivity. Simultaneously, ATL Core Standards Score too has been improved richly over the period.
A paradigm shift was demanded at ATL in safety, quality, productivity and cost. Charismatic leadership, competent team, performance culture and learning culture contributed to this great transformation.
The ATL team is well engaged and they are the living assets of the organization. We have created a performance-based culture by having healthy communication, encouraging productive feedbacks and supporting their social needs.
You are absolutely correct. As a direct result of that, the projects we carried out in productivity improvement, increase in capacity, backward integration have improved our bottom line considerably.
Our agility and flexibility to adopt new operations are well demonstrated by the recent projects we have integrated during the last couple of years.
Today, we have superseded many industry benchmarks and have become the best in safety, quality, productivity and cost.
We are climbing the business ladder which never ends. We are convinced that our team is well competent to take more challenge and steer ATL to the next level.
Our engagement strategy is driven on 5 pillars: the communication, recognition, development, innovation, and engagement. We provide dynamic learning opportunities for employees as we believe the transferring of knowledge would help them achieve better heights within the organization. Events that recognize individual and team performances have made employees believe that their contribution, efforts, and correct behavior would help in reaching our goals. For the first time in ANSELL history, in 2017, we introduced a performance evaluation system for shop floor employees. We enhanced this program in 2018 to grade all shop floor employees based on their skills and performances. This was the key to our success in improving sewing productivity from 15 to 20 pairs per hour. Our future is shared with our employees. We make them aware of where we are heading, why such change is needed, and how would they fit into it. This allows everyone to voice their suggestions for improvements and has played a vital role in integrating Project Horizon and Project Ruby during FY19, with the cadre increased to 650. Success of our engagement strategy was recompensed when we emerged best in the engagement survey amongst all ANSELL manufacturing plants. Our deep engagement programs and best practices have reflected positively on our productivity and qualitative output. Opportunity for expansion in glove knitting has been ignited by the above, offering room for capacity and volume increase that has immensely supported us in absorbing the transfer products bestowed on ATL. The competency and commitment of our endowed workforce ensured that in just 8 months, we could achieve first attempt 100% success rate at new product validation through our accurate predictions and historical data mining. We could also maintain high OTIF quotient with reduced headcount. The increase in total products, total capacity, raw materials, and in-lab testing will speak for themselves. The above will lead to new opportunities in gaining more business, such as apron, sleeves, and more complex glove styles. We were touching new heights in glove manufacturing when the business of chemical protective clothing was offered to us as part of its expansion program outside China. This has further fortified our growth DNA in 2019. The opportunity was well absorbed and executed by Team ATL. Our efforts were crystallized when the production was commenced in just 2 months by setting up 64 machines. The introduction of auto-cutting capabilities, implementation of RFID system, and validating 32 SKUs for new styles further boosted our production capabilities. Our goal is to augment automation that will help us introduce all US styles and increase the total SKUs to 80 plus by the end of 2020. Our passion for innovation was envisaged with the introduction of machine controlling and monitoring system in glove knitting. This in-house developed system can support in identifying and eliminating the root cause of defects, increase in accountability, awareness, and traceability. In enhancing our designing capabilities in knitting, a Center of Excellence has been established, which includes one-step location for end-to-end value chain by introducing combined machines for turning, printing, and inspection. The implementation of CCM monitoring and controlling system has radically improved the efficiency width of the auto trimming and visual inspection system, the cockpit monitoring and alerting system, the real-time downtime capturing and monitoring system, and by eliminating physical checking of 196 spindles. We took an initiative in the textile division to amalgamate fabric finishing and cutting process to one location by embracing new fabric compacting technology that contributes in minimizing fabric shrinkages, reducing width variation, eliminating edge curling, and enhancing fabric GSM control. This has resulted in improving internal logistics and man-machine monitoring optimization. Focusing on a lifestyle that reduces the use of Earth's natural resources, we have taken the initiative to introduce the solar system at ATL to minimize the usage of fossil fuels, carbon emission, and reduce, recycle, and reuse of natural resources. The tertiary treatment facility for the effluent treatment plant is an additional step for further removal of suspended solids and organics in treated water via pressure sand filtration and carbon filtration. Introduction of a system to extract the lint particles generated within the fabric knitting division is expected to remove the dust generation at the source and bring it down below the threshold exposure level. The water-cooled central chiller system installed in the glove knitting division has yielded higher energy efficiency and enhanced capabilities in maintaining the environmental conditions. We are envisioning to become a smart factory by in a predictive maintenance program where machine learning will be used through different algorithms to detect, prevent, and eliminate potential failures. A call center will be set up to handle troubleshooting. This would enable the operator to direct non-critical issues that commonly occur during the operation. This will greatly facilitate the organization in reducing the headcount of skilled labor needed in production lines and in reducing the rectification time. We will also set up a training center powered by augmented reality. This is designed for visualizing a set of standard training modules, reducing manpower needed for training. This will further create a safer and more efficient training environment by reducing variance in content of delivery, reducing training execution time, and regaining more efficient learning environment. Keeping our ongoing innovation at the helm and employee satisfaction at the core, we are ready to take on many new projects that complement our prowess to further nurture our growth. We are creating a safer ANSELL world for our employees and our customers across the globe. Safer, smarter, stronger.
With the commencement of the BP section, many outsiders have joined ANSELL Textiles.
I was clueless of the nature of my job, but my company provided me with hassle-free work environment.
We, employees from rural areas, are provided with a state-of-the-art hostel facilities similar to our home environment.
With the introduction of performance-based evaluation system, we are now entitled for annual increment and bonus based on our efficiency, talent, skill and commitment.